Hello students, welcome to Auja classes Smartness in Education. Here we are going to start the next method of solution of linear equations in two variables, that is the elimination method. Elimination basically refers to remove something. So here we are going to equate the coefficient of one variable, and by either addition or subtraction we will eliminate that variable from the given two equations, and we will find the value of the remaining variable, and by partial substitution method we will find the value of the eliminated variable over here. Let us see how to solve the linear pair of equations in two variables by this method. Let us see, a problem is given to us. We have to solve the following pair of equations by elimination method. Let us mention that this is first and this is second equation. Now observe the coefficient of each variable over here. The coefficient of x is 7 and y is minus 15 in equation number first. But when we come to second equation, then coefficient of x is nothing means 1 and coefficient of y is 2. So here the coefficient of each variable are different from each other. So to equate the coefficients, we will multiply mutually reverse manner, that the coefficient of x from the second equation, that means 1, will be multiplied with the first equation, and coefficient of x in the first equation will be multiplied with the second equation. So the coefficient of x will become equal. Then after we will decide whether we have to add or subtract the equations. So writing in words, multiplying first by 1 and second by 7, we get 7x minus 15y equals to 2, and here we get 7x plus 14y equals to 21. Now see carefully that coefficient of x is same over here, and since the coefficients are same, so we will have to subtract it. So this x will be eliminated from the given equations. So we have subtracted the obtained equations from one another. So we get minus 29y equals to minus 19, and we get y equals to minus 19 by minus 29. So the value of y is 19 by 29. Now substitute this value of x, y into any of the equation. So it will be very easy to put in the second equation to obtain the value of x. So substituting the value of y into second, we get x plus 2 times 19 by 29 equals to 3, and here we will get x plus 38 by 29 equals to 3. So we get 3 minus 38 by 29, and by taking LCM we get the value of x as 49 by 29. This is the required answer. So we can write the answer as, so that x is equals to 49 by 29 and y equals to 19 by 29. Here we have observed that we have equated the coefficient of x. Now let us see the second scenario if we equate the coefficient of y. So let us see, this was a situation in which we have solved by equating the coefficient of x. Now let us see the scenario where we will solve by equating the coefficients of y. Equating the coefficients of y. So here this is equation number first, this is second. See here, the coefficient of y in the first equation is minus 15 and in the second it is 2. To equate the coefficients, we will multiply equation number first by 2 and second by 15. So writing it in words, multiplying first by 2 and second by 15, we get 14x minus 30y equals to 4, 15x plus 30y equals to 45. Now see carefully that the terms containing y are equal, but the signs are opposite. So we can add it and we can eliminate the y from the equations. So by adding the equations, we get 29x equals to 49 and x we get as 49 by 29. Now let us put the value of x into any of the equation. We are substituting the value of x into second. So substituting the value of x into second, we get 49 by 29 plus 2 times y equals to 3. So 2y equals to 3 minus 49 by 29. So we get 2y equals to 87 minus 49 by 29, and hence we get the value of 2y is 38 by 29. So value of y will become 38 by 29 into 2, it will be 19. So y is 19 by 29. So that x equals to 49 by 29 and y equals to 19 by 29. That is the answer. Let us see a word problem based upon which we are going to solve by using the elimination method. Let us see the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7. So let us assume that let the incomes of persons be 9x and 7y, and further the ratio, sorry, let the incomes be 9x and 7x, and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. So let the expenditures of persons be 4y and 3y, and it is given that if each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month, so savings is equals to income minus expenditure. So we get 9x minus 4y equals to 2000 and 7x minus 3y equals to 2000, since the savings of both the persons is same. So here, by equating the coefficients, we can find their monthly incomes. So to equate the coefficients, we have to multiply equation number first by 7 and second by 9. So we get 63x minus 28y equals to 14,000. Here we get 63x minus 27y equals to 18,000. And here we get minus y equals to minus 4,000, and the value of y becomes 4,000. So substituting the value of y into either first or second, we can find the value of x. So substituting the value of y into first, we get 9x minus 4 into 4,000 equals to 2,000, and here we get 9x minus 16,000 equals to 2,000. So we get 9x equals to 2,000 plus 16,000. So we get 9x equals to 18,000, and hence x becomes 18,000 by 9, that means 2,000. Actually, here we have to find the monthly incomes of two persons. So monthly income of first person equals to 9x, that means 9 into 2000, that means rupees 18,000, and monthly income of second person equals to 7x, that means 7 into 2000, we get it as 14,000. That is the required answer. Let us see one more problem based upon we are going to solve it again by using the elimination method by equating the coefficients. So here the problem says the sum of a two digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. Since it is a problem of a two digit number, so we will have to select the digits of the numbers. Let the unit digit of number equals to x and tens digit of number equals to y. In that case, the number will become 10y plus x. Since the tens digit is y, so its value will be 10y, and the value of unit digit will be x. That will, so the number will be 10y plus x. Now if the digits are reversed, then unit digit will become y and tens digit will become x, and the new number that will be formed, that will be 10x plus y. So according to the question, the sum of a two digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits, that means the sum of 10y plus x and 10x plus y is 66. So according to the question, we get 10y plus x plus 10x plus y equals to 66. And here that means we get 11x plus 11y equals to 66, and by taking 11 as common, we get x plus y equals to 66 by 11, and hence we get x plus y equals to 6. This is the first equation. Further, the problem says if the digits of the number differ by 2, that means the difference between digits, that means x and y, the difference of x and y is 2. So let us writing it in the next stage again from question, x minus y is equals to 2. This is second equation. So here the coefficients are same, so we can easily solve the problem. We can simply add it and the y will be eliminated, we get 2x equals to 8, and hence the value of x becomes 4. From any of the equation, suppose I am taking second, so 4 minus y equals to 2, that means we get minus y equals to 2 minus 4, and hence we get the value of y is 2. So we have to find the number. So the number was 10y plus x. So 10 into 2 plus x was 4. So that is 20 plus 4, that means 24. And it is asking how many such numbers are there. So there are only two numbers. There are two numbers. That means if we reverse the digits, then we get, that means 24 and 42. This is the required answer. So here we have learned that a method of solving linear pair of equations by using elimination method by equating the coefficients. Thank you. For more educational videos, like, share and subscribe to Ahuja classes on YouTube. Thank you.